Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to get the Nox Aeterna, one of the coolest free rod screen in the Fish It Classic event. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Classic Island. This is where all the classic event features are located. And then just go to Tix Shop like this. And then just tap on NPC and then just view subs like this. And then you will see a list of items available during the event like this. And then just search for Nox Aeterna rod skin. It looks super clean, dark, and glowing like this. Definitely one of, I think, the best free skin in this event. And to unlock this rod, you will need 150,000. But don't worry, these are free to earn. You can collect them just by completing your daily quest every day. But unfortunately, I don't have enough pics yet, so I can showcase its full effects. But once I get it, I will upload a review. Okay, maybe that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!